Hey, what's going on? This episode of Shop Talk is going to focus on whether or not you might want to get a laser engraver or cutter for your woodworking business. The short answer, in my humble opinion, is yes, but probably not for the reason you think. So making stuff out of your scrap wood is all fine and good, stuff like these Christmas ornaments here, but for us, the real moneymaker seems to be upcharges. So we're taking items that we already make, we're adding custom engravings and adding usually $10 for an upcharge. With that comes an increase in sales conversion as well, because there's a percentage of people out there that are looking for that personalization and will move past your listing if you're not offering it. So it's going to be more feasible on some items more than others, so play to your strengths. I would definitely recommend a laser that's got some sort of camera system. That's going to help you align things super easily. Just as a demonstration, I got this snowman and I'm literally hitting copy and paste and just dragging them around to position them. Easy peasy. Text is just as easy to line up and center on things. You can even draw shapes to make sure that it's centered on either side. This is what our cribbage listing looks like. We offer the engraving in 3 different fonts, and it's that little side door. These are some bug boxes that feature not custom. We used to do custom engraves on this. Sometimes we still do, but for the most part we use images from a library that are very reliable. That just helps us hit a higher mark and kind of go further into that niche that is the insect pinner. So the bottom line for us is that this machine has basically paid for itself with upcharges at this point. We've had it a little over a year. I would say it's definitely in the black just strictly from the dollar amount of charging for engravings. But with that has come a better conversion. We're able to move some bigger ticket items at a higher percentage like our cribbage boards. So yeah, hope this was helpful to you. Might make you think of a different aspect of laser use, rather than just making things out of scrap pieces. But hey, till next time.